One of the maps you could get in an exam is something like the one on the screen right now. It's important we know how to read one of these maps because they can be a bit tricky. So, first thing we need to notice is that there is an equal distance between these marks in black. So here we have 27 degrees, here we have 27 degrees 5 minutes. Here between those two we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That means each one of these marks where I've drawn a line is 1 minute. So this mark will be 27 degrees 1 minute south. Let's move that along. So 27 degrees 1 minute south. So the next one, 27 degrees 2 minutes south. And that makes this 27 degrees 3 minutes south, 27 degrees 4 minutes south. That's the first thing we need to understand. The next thing we need to notice is there's little line markings on each side between each minute. So I'm just going to reach the camera and come explain that. Alright, so you know from what I just said that this mark here, that's going to be 27 degrees 1 minute south. So 21 degrees 1 minute is there. You'll see the rest of it once I move the camera. Alright, and then in between we have 4 little line segments. So we've got here, we've got one there, got another one there, there, and there. So between 27 degrees and 27 degrees 1 minute, which is this where this line here is, we've got 4 markings in between. So if we go from here to there, what we actually have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by the 5th marking, we've changed a minute. What that means is each one of these markings is 0.02. So we've got, so if I move the camera up, we've got 0.02 of a marking. So this point here, if I make that a bit sharper, bring this over here, that mark there is 27 degrees 0.2 minutes south. The marking under it, this one here, we're just adding another 0.2. That's going to be 27 degrees 0.4 south. That means you've got 0.6, 0.8, and then you get 1 minute. So we've got a solid one in black. That's shaded. Next to it we've got the rectangle broken into 4 equal compartments, and each of the little ones here that I put in here is 0.2 of a minute. So if I randomly pick, I don't know, go that point there, and you have to tell me what that point there is. Well, let's start with 27 degrees here. There's 27 degrees 1 minute, 27 degrees 2 minutes, 27 degrees 3 minutes, 27 degrees 4 minutes. So we immediately know that our answer has to be 27 degrees 4 minutes, but then it's in the third notch, so that's 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, so 4.6 minutes south. That's what that coordinate there is, or that location on that map. So then in terms of a latitude and longitude, you're going to have to consider both, again, your latitude and your longitude. So when you're looking at point G, we're at 27 degrees south, so G is going to be 27 degrees south, and then we have to look at this, so 153 degrees 45, this is 46 there. We're at halfway between point 8 and 1, so halfway would be 0.9, so this will be 153 degrees 45 minutes, 0.9 minutes east. And that's for location G.